Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to filter arrays in Power Automate. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to make.powerautomate.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to the Power Automate dashboard where you can create and manage all your flows. After logging in, look at the left side of your screen and click on Create. This will open up several options for building different types of flows. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect when you want to trigger an automation manually or through specific events. When the setup window appears, simply click Skip. We'll configure everything manually to give you full control over the flow. Next, click on Add a Trigger to start building your automation. In the search bar that appears, type Manually Trigger a Flow and click on it when it shows up. This trigger allows you to run your flow whenever you need it, giving you complete control over when the automation executes. Now click the plus icon to add your first action. In the search field, type Initialize Variable and click on it. This action is essential because it lets you store and work with data throughout your flow. In the name field, input a name for your variable that makes sense to you. Then click the drop-down menu on Type and choose Array from the list. Arrays are perfect for storing multiple items of data that you'll filter through later. In the Value field, paste your array code. This is the data you'll be working with throughout the rest of the flow. Next, click the plus icon again and search for parse.json. Then click on it. This action is crucial because it converts your array data into a format that Power Automate can easily work with and filter. Click on the content field, then click the thunder icon that appears. From the dynamic content menu, click on the variable name you created earlier. This connects your array to the parse action. Now click on Use Sample Payload to generate schema. Paste your array code into the field that appears and click Done. This automatically creates the structure Power Automate needs to understand your data. Click the plus icon once more and search for Filter Array, then click on it. This is where the actual filtering happens. In the From field, click the thunder icon and select Body under the Parse.json section. This tells the filter action which dataset to work with. Now in the Filter Query section, click the thunder icon and choose any field you want to filter from the Parse.json options. For example, you might select body name if you're filtering by names in your array. You'll notice a drop-down menu that says is equal to. You can click on this drop-down to change the comparison type if needed, but for this example, we'll keep it as is equal to. In the value field, input a value that matches something in your array. This is what the filter will search for and return matching results. And now you can save and run your automation to see the filtered results in action. You've successfully set up array filtering in Power Automate, which is incredibly useful for sorting through data and automating workflows. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.